Like, subscribe and follow my channel. OUPINKE Men Japanese Automatic Watch Gypsophila Dial Luxury Fashion Diamond Waterproof Luminous Sapphire Crystal Watches. Japanese automatic movement. The precision movement is equipped with automatic winding, built-in 21 red gemstone bearings to improve winding efficiency and power reserve. The vibration frequency is 21,600 times per hour to improve the stability of travel time, and the energy storage exceeds 45 hours. Synthetic sapphire mirror. Upgraded scratch-resistant coating, scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, clearly visible every second, guarding the precision movement. Men's Luxury Gypsophila Watch. The sky full of stars is dotted with the dazzling and blurred phantom starry sky. The small dial hides the vast universe, representing people's yearning and exploration for the unknown. OUPINKE Professional Service. OUPINKE watches are shipped fast by Amazon. OUPINKE offers 30-day no questions asked returns and a 2-year warranty on products sold by the brand. To buy this product from Amazon, click onto link in description. Thanks for watching.